Some says beer, wine, rum are not good for health. Some says it's act like a medicine.
रात भर खांस रहा था, जा जाके मेरे बाटली से 2 घूंट मार ले जा।
क्यों, दारू पीने से खांसी चली जाएगी क्या?
अरे दारू में मेरा बाप का गराज।
Anyway, to know that, to explore that, to clear that, it is very important to know the ingredients, or we can say the production process of these liquors. In this video, we are going to talk about beer, production process of beer, how beer is made, what are the different production processes, what are the different raw material which is used in the production of beer. All those things we are going to cover in this video. So sit back, relax, and if you are doing something else, stop that. Just invest your few minutes here, and at the end, you will learn something new through this video. So beer production. See, for the production of any product, raw materials is required. In this case, in the case of beer, raw materials are first, barley, second, water, third, hope, or we can say hope's flour, fourth, yeast. See, instead of barley, we may use wheat, rice, but a good quality beer is made from barley. And what is the role of hope's flour and yeast? I will tell you in the later part of this video. So the first process of beer production is malting. See, this process is very simple. We have to germinate and dry barley under controlled conditions. So here the malt of barley is produced, and how it will produce? By following some steps. First step is steeping. In this process, we have to provide water to the immature barley. After the application of the water, the starch which is present in the barley hydrolyzed, obviously because we are providing water, by the hydrolytic enzymes, and due to this application of the water, the moisture content of the barley will increase to 42 to 46%, which is a desired moisture content for the process of malting. And after the absorption of the water by the barley, it begins to respire, which is necessary for the germination process, which is the second step of malting, the germination stage. In this stage, the barley grains is transferred to the germination vessel, as you can see. Now we all know that germination requires time. Here, 4 to 5 days, and the duration also depend upon the varieties of barley, because there are different varieties. Now, to maintain the desired moisture content in the germination vessel, it is necessary to provide cold and humidified air in the vessel, and temperature is also maintained in between 14 to 20 degrees Celsius. Again, it depends upon various factors. Now, from this germination vessel, the barley grains is transferred to the kilning vessel, which is the third step of the malting process. Now here, the warm and dry air flows through a germinated grains to avoid the excessive moisture, and this is done to develop desired color and flavor, and the holding time in this vessel is approximately 24 to 26 hours. And now from here, the grains are crushed between rollers to produce powder called grist. Then this grist is mixed with warm water for few hours, and the liquid here obtained is called wort, W-O-R-T. Now here, after mixing, some of the unwanted material like husk is present in the wort, W-O-R-T, which is not required in the final product. So the unwanted material is removed through filtration. Now after filtration, hope's flour is added at various intervals. Now understand like this. In the case of preparation of tea, we are using tea leaf, obviously for flavor and aroma. Same in the case of beer, we are using hop flowers, which will give aroma, taste, flavors. And it also contains pectin, which is responsible for the foam characteristics of the beer. After all this, fermentation is done. Now fermentation is another topic. If I am going to cover in this video, the video will be very long. And what I will do here, I will attach some of the simple meaning of fermentation. Make sure to check the description part. For the fermentation process, more likely strains of yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the production of good quality beer, and this is carried out at low temperature, 3 to 14 degrees Celsius, and the process of fermentation requires time around 14 days, and during this time period, this yeast convert this carbohydrate, sugar, into carbon dioxide and alcohol. The general concentration of alcohol in beer is 3 to 5%. Now, after all this young beer is stored for several weeks or even months. And what is the reason for that? Because during this period, the precipitation of proteins, yeast and other undesirable substance takes place, and beer become clear. This process is also called aging, and during this process the taste and aroma of the beer also enhances. After aging, the beer is carbonated with carbon dioxide. Then the beer is cooled, clarified, filtered and packed in bottles, cans or barrels. So this is how beer is produced. At last, I just want to say one thing, that if anyone is consuming these things aggressively, then in that case it will affect them. It is having many side effects, but at the same time it is having some benefits also. So it depends upon you on what concentration you are consuming. So this is all about beer production. Make sure to share this video with your friends if you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Take care, guys.